Hello friends, and welcome to today's episode of Mrs McDonnell's Garden. Now last time on Mrs McDonnell's Garden we planted some seeds and made a prediction about whether they will grow or whether they will not grow. Today we will be checking on those seeds and seeing which ones have grown and which ones have not grown. Before we can start, we need to have our 4 things for working in the garden. Let's check and make sure I've got them and I'm ready to go. Number 1, my sun hat. Number 2, my sun smart shirt with sleeves. Number 3, my sunscreen on my arms and my face. And number 4, my gardening gloves on. Yep, it looks like we are ready to garden! Last time on Mrs McDonnell's Garden, we planted some seeds and we made a prediction as to which ones will grow and which ones will not grow. We use this chart to help us fill in our predictions, and today we're going to check on those seeds and see how our experiment turned out. So, are you ready? Let's go! Good morning, seeds. Ooh, what do we have here? Good morning, plant. What's happened here? Has anything grown? Meow. Shh, I've just got to be very, very quiet. Oh, wow, look at that. It looks like something's grown. How exciting. Oh, I wonder what happened to this one. Does that look like it's grown? No. It's been 3 weeks since we planted these seeds, and I'm so excited to see the results. Okay, now that we've collected all of our seed cups, we can look at our chart, and comparing it to the cups, we can look at our prediction and see which ones have grown and which ones have not grown. So we can see in the first cup here, which was in the dark place with water, we predicted that it wouldn't grow. Now if we have a look at it, we could see that it did not grow, and it's actually gone all yucky and moldy and furry inside. Now looking at the chart, we can see where we predicted that the seed that was in the sun with water would not grow. We can compare this to our seed in a cup, and we can see that it did in fact grow, and it's a nice healthy tall bean plant. Moving down the chart to where the seed was in a dark place that was dry, we can see that we predicted that it would grow. But in fact, if you look in the cup, it did not grow. And then the last one, in the sun but dry with no water, we predicted that it wouldn't grow, and we were correct. It did not grow. Now we can also look at our plant that we put in the cupboard, and we can see that our plant, without the sun, it withered up and we don't have a plant anymore. It died because it did not have the sunlight that it needed to give it food and energy to live. If we compare this to some plants in my garden, where they are able to have the sun to provide them with the light for food and energy that they need to live, we can see that these plants are growing beautifully. And in fact, some of these plants are starting to have flowers. Let's look at this one. We can see that this plant is growing so nicely. It's green and it's tall and it's so happy that it's starting to make flowers. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, so from the results of our experiment today, we can determine that plants are living things and they need water and sunlight to be able to grow into beautiful, green, healthy plants like this baby seedling. Okay, join us next time on Mrs McDonnell's Garden for a fun new adventure. See you next time!
On the next episode of Mrs McDonnell's Garden, join us for a fun farm adventure!